This song is called Ayn Rand, and it goes a little something like this. I was young, I was an anarchist, till I found out they were socialists. See, I wanted to burn it all down, and they wanted some leaders to pass it around. Always hated me and neocon, liberals without a head, who are people proclaim that I am when they stare at my casket the day that I'm dead. A pinch of George Orwell and a little Ayn Rand, a lot of the Ramones and the Wu-Tang Clan, a bit of Bruce Springsteen and good old Jesus Christ, a lot of love with more mistakes and a hell lot of fight, a hell lot of fight. My late 20s I got quiet, simply trying to survive. What's up, neighbors? Had a wife and 2 children to feed. Now automatic make goodbye to my dreams. Kept on practicing and playing those corporate geeks to make them amends. Then this voice that was inside of me broke through my nightmares and screamed out and said, a pinch of George Orwell and a little Ayn Rand, a lot of the Ramones and the Wu-Tang Clan, a bit of Bruce Springsteen and good old Jesus Christ, a lot of love with more mistakes and a hell lot of fight, a hell lot of fight. If you're out there and you're listening, you don't know who you are, buy my record and get in your car, turn up the volume and drive somewhere far. Don't come back until you know it, who it is you really be. 'Cause there's a person that's inside of you, locked in the basement, who wants to be free. A pinch of George Orwell and a little Ayn Rand, a lot of the Ramones and the Wu-Tang Clan, a bit of Bruce Springsteen and good old Jesus Christ, a lot of love with more mistakes and a hell lot of fight. A little Janis Joplin or maybe James Dean, a lot of Hall & Oates or Freddie Mercury, a little Mike Friedman or Martin Luther King, poet, dancer, architect, someone who wants to sing. A little George Orwell